तपाईले त्यहाँ कति समय काम गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
How long you have been working there? How long you have been working there?
म त्यहाँ 6 वर्षको लागि काम गर्दैछु।
I have been working there for 6 years. I have been working there for 6 years.
तिम्रो काम के हो?
What is your job? What is your job?
मेरो काम भनेको मानिसहरूलाई प्रशिक्षण दिनु हो।
My job is to train people. My job is to train people.
तिमी जीवन निर्वाह गर्न के काम गर्छौ?
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
म निर्माण कम्पनीमा इन्जिनियरको रूपमा काम गर्छु।
I work as an engineer in a construction company. I work as an engineer in a construction company.
तपाई कसको लागि काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
Who do you work for? Who do you work for?
म सरकारको लागि काम गर्छु।
I work for the government. I work for the government.
तिमीलाई तिम्रो काम मन पर्छ?
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
मलाई मेरो काम मन पर्दैन।
I don't like my job. I don't like my job.
तपाई कसको लागि काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
Whom do you work for? Whom do you work for?
म ठुलो कम्पनीमा काम गर्छु।
I work for a large company. I work for a large company.
तपाई कुन खण्डमा काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
In which section do you work? In which section do you work?
म खाताहरू सेक्सनमा छु।
I'm in the accounts section. I'm in the accounts section.
तपाई कति समय काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
How long do you work? How long do you work?
हामी सामान्यतया बिहान 8 देखि साँझ 5 सम्म काम गर्दछौं।
We normally work from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. We normally work from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m.
के तपाई शनिबार काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
Do you work on Saturdays? Do you work on Saturdays?
हामी शनिबार काम गर्दैनौं।
We don't work on Saturdays. We don't work on Saturdays.
खाजाको ब्रेक कति लामो हुन्छ?
How long is the lunch break? How long is the lunch break?
हामीसँग खाजाको लागि 40 मिनेट छ।
We have 40 minutes for lunch break. We have 40 minutes for lunch break.
तपाईको कामको स्वभाव के हो?
What is the nature of your work? What is the nature of your work?
म कागजको काममा धेरै समय खर्च गर्छु।
I spend a lot of time on paperwork. I spend a lot of time on paperwork.
तपाई 1 वर्षमा कति छुट्टीहरू प्राप्त गर्नुहुन्छ?
How many holidays do you get in a year? How many holidays do you get in a year?
हप्ता छुट्टी 1 वर्ष प्राप्त गर्दछौं।
We get 4 weeks holiday a year. We get 4 weeks holiday a year.
तपाई कहाँ काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
Where do you work? Where do you work?
म विश्व व्यापार केन्द्रमा काम गर्दछु।
I work at the World Trade Center. I work at the World Trade Center.
तिम्रो हाकिम को हो?
Who is your boss? Who is your boss?
मेरो मालिक बिक्री प्रबन्धक हो।
My boss is the sales manager. My boss is the sales manager.
कसको अन्तर्गत काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
Whom do you work under? Whom do you work under?
म उपप्रबन्धक अन्तर्गत काम गर्छु।
I work under deputy manager. I work under deputy manager.
तपाईको विभागमा कति छन्?
How many are there in your department? How many are there in your department?
मेरो विभागमा हामी 6 जना छौं।
There are 6 of us in my department. There are 6 of us in my department.
विभाग कस्तो छ?
How is the department? How is the department?
यो एक मैत्री विभाग हो।
It is a friendly department. It is a friendly department.
ऊ रोजगार छ।
Is he employed? Is he employed?
ऊ बेरोजगार छ।
He is unemployed. He is unemployed.
यहाँ कति जना सिपालु कामदारहरू छन्?
How many skilled workers are here? How many skilled workers are here?
यहाँ 1000 कुशल कामदारहरू छन्।
There are 1,000 skilled workers here. There are 1,000 skilled workers here.
के उनीसँग काम छ?
Does she has a job? Does she has a job?
उनी जागिर खोजिरहेकी छिन्।
She is looking for a job. She is looking for a job.
तपाईले आफ्नो नयाँ जागिर कसरी पाउनुभयो?
How did you find your new job? How did you find your new job?
मैले अखबार मार्फत नयाँ जागिर फेला पारे।
I found a new job through newspaper. I found a new job through newspaper.
तपाई यो काम पाउन कहाँ जानुभयो?
Where did you go to get this job? Where did you go to get this job?
म रोजगार एजेन्सी गए।
I went to an employment agency. I went to an employment agency.
के तपाईले जागिरको लागि आवेदन दिन धेरै समय लिनुभयो?
Did it take you long to apply for a job? Did it take you long to apply for a job?
हैन, यदि तपाईलाई सबै प्रक्रियाहरू थाहा छ भने।
No, if you know all the procedures. No, if you know all the procedures.
यो कति समय लाग्छ?
How long will it take? How long will it take?
मेरो विचारमा धेरै लामो।
Too long in my opinion. Too long in my opinion.
यहाँ तलब कति राम्रो छ?
How good is the salary here? How good is the salary here?
यहाँ तलब धेरै राम्रो छ।
The salary here is pretty good. The salary here is pretty good.
अहिले के गर्दैछ?
What are doing right now? What are doing right now?
म वार्षिक रिपोर्ट जाँच गर्दै थिएँ।
I was checking the annual report. I was checking the annual report.
के तपाईले रिपोर्ट जाँच गर्नुभयो?
Did you check the reports? Did you check the reports?
मैले गरे र मैले धेरै त्रुटिहरू पत्ता लगाए।
Yes, I did, and I discovered several errors. Yes, I did, and I discovered several errors.
के तपाईले यी पत्रहरू टाइप गर्नुभयो?
Have you typed these letters? Have you typed these letters?
हैन, म यसलाई केही मिनेटमा टाइप गर्नेछु।
No, I will type it in a few minutes. No, I will type it in a few minutes.
मालिक भित्र छ।
Is the boss inside? Is the boss inside?
हो, ऊ केबिन भित्र छ।
Yes, he is inside the cabin. Yes, he is inside the cabin.
के तपाईँ यो मुद्दा समाधान गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ?
Can you solve this issue? Can you solve this issue?
हो, तर पहिले मैले यो मुद्दाको बारेमा सोच्नु पर्छ।
Sure, but first I have to think about the issue. Sure, but first I have to think about the issue.
पहिले तपाईले कहाँ काम गर्नुभयो?
Previously, where have you worked? Previously, where have you worked?
पहिले म एउटा ठुलो निर्माण कम्पनीको लागि काम गर्थे।
Previously, I worked for a big construction company. Previously, I worked for a big construction company.
तपाईको विभागमा स्टाफ कस्तो छ?
How is the staff in your department? How is the staff in your department?
मेरो विभागमा स्टाफ धेरै कुशल छ।
The staff in my department are very efficient. The staff in my department are very efficient.
तपाईँ कुन कम्पनीको लागि काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
What company do you work for? What company do you work for?
म इलेक्ट्रोनिक्स कम्पनीमा काम गर्छु।
I work for an electronics company. I work for an electronics company.
तिम्रो पेसा के हो?
What is your profession? What is your profession?
म एक डाक्टर हुँ।
I am a doctor. I am a doctor.
जब बैठक निर्धारित।
When the meeting scheduled. When the meeting scheduled.
बैठक भोलिको लागि निर्धारित छ।
The meeting is scheduled for tomorrow. The meeting is scheduled for tomorrow.
अन्तिम बैठक कहिले भएको थियो?
When was the last meeting held? When was the last meeting held?
अन्तिम बैठक 2 दिन पहिले आयोजित।
The last meeting held 2 days back. The last meeting held 2 days back.
तपाईको अन्तर्वार्ता कति समय लाग्यो?
How long did your interview took? How long did your interview took?
मेरो अन्तर्वार्तामा 3 घण्टा लाग्यो।
My interview took 3 hours. My interview took 3 hours.
यस संस्थामा तपाईको भूमिका के हो?
What is your role in this organization? What is your role in this organization?
यस सङ्गठनमा मेरो भूमिका खाताहरू प्रबन्धन गर्ने हो।
My role in this organization is to manage accounts. My role in this organization is to manage accounts.
तपाईँ कुन स्थितिको लागि आवेदन दिँदै हुनुहुन्छ?
What position you are applying for? What position you are applying for?
म वरिष्ठ व्यवस्थापक स्थितिको लागि आवेदन गर्दैछु।
I am applying for senior manager position. I am applying for senior manager position.
यो कामको लागि योग्यता मापदण्ड के हो?
What is the eligibility criteria for this job? What is the eligibility criteria for this job?
यो कामका लागि तपाईसँग ग्रेजुएसन डिग्री हुनुपर्छ।
For this job you need to have graduation degree. For this job you need to have graduation degree.
काम गर्ने समय के हो?
What is the working hours? What is the working hours?
काम गर्ने समय बिहान 9 देखि 7:05 सम्म छ।
The working hour is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The working hour is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
तपाईँ कहिले स्नातक गर्नुभयो?
When did you graduate? When did you graduate?
म 2012 मा स्नातक।
I graduate in the year 2012. I graduate in the year 2012.
यस परियोजनाको समय अवधि कति हो?
What is the time period of this project? What is the time period of this project?
परियोजना 2 वर्षको लागि योजना बनाइएको छ।
The project is planned for 2 years. The project is planned for 2 years.
यो कम्पनीको स्थापना गर्नुभयो?
Who founded this company? Who founded this company?
मेरो भाइले यो कम्पनी स्थापना गर्नुभयो।
My brother founded this company. My brother founded this company.
तिम्रो भ्रमणको उद्देश्य के हो?
What is the purpose of your visit? What is the purpose of your visit?
म आधा वार्षिक निरीक्षणको लागि यहाँ छु।
I am here for half-yearly inspection. I am here for half-yearly inspection.
कम्पनीको सर्वोच्च प्रमुख को हो?
Who is the supreme head of the company? Who is the supreme head of the company?
मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी सर्वोच्च प्रमुख हुन्।
The chief executive officer is the supreme head. The chief executive officer is the supreme head.
तपाईले यस कम्पनीको लागि कति समय काम गर्नुभयो?
How long you have worked for this company? How long you have worked for this company?
मैले यस कम्पनीमा 3 वर्ष काम गरे।
I have worked for 3 years in this company. I have worked for 3 years in this company.
के तपाईँ कुनै क्यारियर परिवर्तन खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
Are you looking for any career change? Are you looking for any career change?
हैन, म आफ्नो वर्तमान क्यारियरमा जारी राख्न चाहन्छु।
No, I would like to continue in my present career. No, I would like to continue in my present career.
यस कम्पनीमा तपाईको स्थान कस्तो छ?
What is your position in this company? What is your position in this company?
म यस कम्पनीमा एक वरिष्ठ लेखापालको रूपमा काम गर्दछु।
I work as a senior accountant in this company. I work as a senior accountant in this company.
तपाईको काममा सबैभन्दा बढी के मन पर्छ?
What do you like the most in your job? What do you like the most in your job?
मलाई मेरो जागिरमा कामको संस्कृति मन पर्छ।
I like the work culture in my job. I like the work culture in my job.
तपाईँ यस कम्पनीको बारेमा के सोच्नुहुन्छ?
What do you think about this company? What do you think about this company?
मलाई लाग्छ कि यो कम्पनी ताजा स्नातकहरूका लागि राम्रो छ।
I think this company is good for fresh graduates. I think this company is good for fresh graduates.
जब तपाईँ यो काम छोड्ने योजना गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ,
When you are planning to leave this job. When you are planning to leave this job.
म यस वर्षको अन्त्यसम्ममा यो जागिर छोड्ने योजनामा छु।
I am planning to leave this job by the end of this year. I am planning to leave this job by the end of this year.